Hook. If you're over 60 and your legs feel weaker than they used to, if climbing stairs feels harder, or if you notice your balance isn't what it was, I have important news. The solution might not be in a prescription bottle or an expensive gym membership. It might be sitting in your kitchen right now. Scientists have identified 8 specific foods that support leg muscle strength, reduce inflammation, and improve circulation in ways that can make a noticeable difference in how your legs feel and function. One of them, which almost nobody eats regularly, has been shown in clinical studies to improve lower body strength by over 30% when combined with light daily movement. I'm going to walk you through all 8, explain exactly what they do in your body, and show you how to use them starting today. Before we continue, drop a comment and tell me where you're watching from. And if you're experiencing leg weakness, type yes so we know how many people this is affecting. Now, let me be clear from the start. These foods won't rebuild muscle overnight. That's not how physiology works. But when you eat them consistently over weeks and months, alongside appropriate movement, the research shows they can make a genuine, measurable difference in leg strength, mobility, and confidence. This isn't about quick fixes. This is about giving your body the specific nutrients it needs to maintain and rebuild muscle tissue as you age. Let's start with number 1. Number 1. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are surprisingly powerful for leg muscle health because they're rich in magnesium, an essential mineral for muscle contraction and relaxation. Low magnesium levels can lead to muscle cramps, fatigue, and poor nerve signaling that causes stiffness and weakness. According to a study in Magnesium Research, adults over 60 with low magnesium experienced nearly twice as much leg fatigue during walking tests compared to those with adequate levels. Pumpkin seeds also contain zinc and healthy fats that support hormonal balance and control inflammation, both crucial for maintaining strength as we age. You don't need much. Just 2 tablespoons of raw pumpkin seeds provide significant magnesium. To improve mineral absorption, soak them overnight to reduce phytic acid. Blend them into smoothies. Eat them raw in the morning or sprinkle over oatmeal. Skip the salted versions. By replenishing the minerals your leg muscles need to function properly, pumpkin seeds support better muscle performance over time. Number 2. Tart cherry juice. Tart cherry juice might seem like just another health drink, but it delivers serious benefits for muscle recovery, especially in older adults. Tart cherries are rich in anthocyanins, natural compounds that reduce inflammation, increase blood flow, and support muscle repair after activity. In a study published in the Scandinavian Journal of Medicine and Science in Sports, older adults who drank tart cherry juice daily reported 23% less muscle pain after walking and climbing stairs, along with noticeable improvements in quadriceps strength. The anti-inflammatory effects can be felt within days of consistent use. The key is concentration. A small glass of juice contains compounds from hundreds of cherries. Look for unsweetened 100% tart cherry juice, not cocktails or blends. Drink 6 to 8 ounces after activity or in the evening. If too strong, dilute with water. With consistent use, many people notice less stiffness, improved circulation, and better ability to stand, walk, and climb stairs. Number 3. Cooked spinach. This dark leafy green is a nutritional powerhouse for leg strength. It's rich in nitrates, magnesium, and potassium, all essential for oxygen delivery, muscle contraction, and nerve-to-muscle communication. When spinach is cooked, it breaks down oxalates that can block mineral absorption, allowing your body to absorb more nutrients. A study in Frontiers in Physiology found that older adults who regularly ate high-nitrate foods like spinach improved lower limb performance by up to 16%. Your body converts nitrates in spinach into nitric oxide, which widens blood vessels and boosts circulation to your lower body. Better blood flow delivers more oxygen and nutrients to leg muscles, supporting recovery, coordination, and reduced fatigue. Cook fresh spinach with lemon juice or garlic and olive oil. Avoid overboiling. Sauté or lightly steam instead. Add to soups, eggs, or eat as a side dish. 1 cup of cooked spinach at lunch or dinner, eaten consistently, can support improved leg muscle function over time. If you're finding this valuable so far, please hit that like button and subscribe. My mission is to give you science-based health information designed for adults over 60. And share this video with someone whose legs don't feel as strong as they used to. Number 4. Lentils. Lentils provide the ideal balance of slow-releasing carbs, protein, and essential minerals. Your leg muscles need protein to repair, steady energy, and nutrients like potassium, magnesium, and iron to function efficiently. What makes lentils effective is their slow digestion, giving your body steady fuel over several hours. This is crucial for preventing leg fatigue during standing, walking, or climbing stairs. In a study published in the Journal of Gerontology, seniors who ate lentils daily for 2 weeks improved muscle endurance during leg-based tasks by 22% compared to those eating refined carbohydrates. They also showed better balance and faster muscle response times. Lentils are rich in leucine, an amino acid that triggers muscle rebuilding. They stabilize blood sugar, preventing spikes that cause weakness. Their prebiotic fiber supports gut health, lowering inflammation and improving nutrient absorption. Cook dry lentils until tender. Season with turmeric, garlic, or lemon juice. Avoid canned lentils with added salt. Mash them, add to soups, or serve with vegetables. 1 cup at lunch or dinner supports muscle function when eaten consistently. Number 5. Salmon. Salmon is exceptional for leg muscle strength because of its powerful nutrition profile, vitamin D, omega-3 fatty acids, and high-quality protein. All three directly impact how leg muscles function and recover. According to a study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, older adults who ate salmon 3 times a week saw significant increases in leg strength and mobility within weeks, especially in muscles around knees and thighs. This was linked to lower inflammation and increased muscle protein synthesis. The omega-3s in salmon, EPA and DHA, enter muscle cells and reduce inflammatory cytokines that cause stiffness and slow recovery. Protein rebuilds damaged fibers. Vitamin D supports muscle contractions and prevents cramping. Choose wild-caught salmon over farm-raised. Bake or grill with lemon, herbs, and olive oil. Avoid sweet glazes and frying. Even a 4-ounce serving at dinner, eaten regularly, can support better balance, less stiffness, and more strength when standing. Number 6. Quinoa. Quinoa is one of the most overlooked foods for muscle building in older adults. It's technically a seed but treated like a grain. What makes it special? It contains all 9 essential amino acids your muscles need for growth and repair. That's rare in plant foods. Quinoa is a complete protein, supporting muscle rebuilding efficiently while delivering iron, magnesium, potassium, and vitamin E. These regulate inflammation, energy production, and circulation in large muscle groups like hamstrings and quadriceps. A study in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that adults who replaced refined carbs with quinoa reported better muscle endurance and less soreness. A Brazilian study found seniors who ate quinoa at lunch performed better on walking tests the next day than those who ate white bread or rice. Quinoa digests slowly, maintaining steadier energy. It's high in magnesium, preventing muscle cramps at night. Rinse well before cooking to remove bitter saponins. Simmer in water or low-sodium broth until fluffy. Add to breakfast bowls with eggs and spinach. Mix with vegetables or serve as a side. 1 serving in the afternoon or evening supports better coordination and pushing power for walking or stairs when eaten consistently. Number 7. Beets. Within days of consistent use, this circulation booster can change how your leg muscles feel and perform. Beets are naturally high in nitrates. When you eat them, your body converts nitrates into nitric oxide, which widens blood vessels and improves oxygen delivery to muscles. Poor blood flow is a major reason seniors feel leg heaviness, stiffness, or weakness. By improving circulation, beets help muscles get oxygen and nutrients needed to contract, recover, and function. In one study, seniors who drank beet juice before walking saw improved walking speed and leg muscle performance. A study in the Journal of Gerontology found that daily beet juice lowered blood pressure and improved arterial flexibility in adults over 60, linked to better lower body mobility and reduced fatigue. Steam, roast, or blend beets into smoothies. For faster results, choose pure unsweetened beetroot juice. Drink a small glass in the morning or 30 minutes before activity. With consistent use, legs feel lighter, more responsive, and less prone to fatigue. Number 8. Bone broth. Bone broth is concentrated, nutrient-dense liquid packed with collagen, gelatin, amino acids, electrolytes, and anti-inflammatory compounds that support muscles, joints, and connective tissue. Collagen and amino acids like proline and glycine reduce inflammation, support healing, and improve mobility. Research in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition and Metabolism found that glycine helped increase muscle regeneration and speed recovery after exertion in older adults. The nutrients are already broken down into liquid form, so your body can absorb and use them quickly. Many seniors report feeling less stiff and moving more smoothly with consistent use. Use homemade broth or high-quality store-bought from pasture-raised chicken or grass-fed beef bones. Simmer with apple cider vinegar, garlic, and herbs for at least 12 hours. Drink warm on an empty stomach in the morning or after activity. 1 cup delivers building blocks your muscles and joints can use. With regular consumption, bone broth supports faster recovery and improved function. 5 powerful morning strategies. Now, here are 5 strategies to maximize these foods, starting today. 1. Start your morning with beetroot or tart cherry juice on an empty stomach. These boost circulation and reduce inflammation. Within an hour, 6 to 8 ounces may reduce stiffness and improve movement. Sip slowly before eating. 2. Pair slow carbs like lentils or quinoa with protein. Muscles need steady energy to use protein effectively. Eating salmon or spinach with quinoa or lentils releases energy gradually, preventing crashes and reducing leg fatigue. Think lentil soup with vegetables or quinoa with eggs and spinach. 3. Drink warm bone broth 20 to 30 minutes after morning movement. After walking or stretching, muscles are ready to absorb collagen and amino acids. Warm bone broth jumpstarts repair. Glycine, proline, and gelatin support connective tissue and reduce soreness. 4. If you get leg cramps, start your day with soaked pumpkin seeds. They're rich in magnesium, zinc, and potassium. Soaking overnight makes them easier to digest. Add to smoothies or eat with fruit. 1 to 2 tablespoons can help prevent tightness and cramping. 5. Add cooked spinach to breakfast. It's packed with nitrates that improve blood flow to legs. Cooking improves mineral absorption. Stir into quinoa, sauté with olive oil and garlic, or mix into eggs. Daily nitrate-rich greens support stronger, faster leg performance with consistent use. Your challenge: you've now learned 8 foods that support leg muscle health through targeted nutrition. Magnesium-rich pumpkin seeds, tart cherry juice for inflammation, beets for circulation, collagen-packed bone broth for recovery. Leg weakness isn't always just aging. Often it's a nutrition issue, a circulation issue, or a recovery issue. When you address those consistently, your legs respond. You walk with more strength. You feel lighter. You gain confidence to move without fear. Here's your challenge. Pick one of these 8 foods and try it today. Use it consistently for 2 weeks. Pay attention to how your legs feel. Many people notice better control, improved balance, and less stiffness with regular use. Then add another. Stack them one at a time. Which of these foods are you most excited to try? Tell us in the comments. And if you tried any of these already, share your experience to help others. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more science-backed tips to stay strong and independent after 60. Remember, aging doesn't have to mean getting weaker. With the right nutrition and consistent daily habits, you can support your legs' strength and wake up feeling more capable. The choice is yours.